You blowing bubbles? Good job,
Evie. Lydia, your turn. Lydia's turn.
Don't bite it.
Gross.
Icky.
Evan's turn. I think that was largely spit that came out of your mouth there. Some bubble too. Lydia,
Yeah.
Lydia's turn. Evan's turn. Okay, good job. Didn't quite get it that time. Daddy's turn. Oh, Daddy didn't do a good job. Oh, there's some good ones. Lydia's turn. Oh, eating goldfish. Evan's turn. Evan, try again. Try again. Lydia, try.
Oop. Mom can't handle the camera.
Bubbles. You wanna try? Bubbles. You wanna try, Evan? That is not how we blow bubbles. Okay.
Watch this, Chris.
All done.